Greetings. What a wonderful new day in paradise for us here on earth. Oh, someone was sending me pictures from Mauritius a minute ago. Oh, what a paradise. It is idyllic. The sea is so calm. It just exudes this awesome, vast, still openness. It really doesn't look commercial in any way. Not in the pictures. The pictures look just absolutely gorgeous. So we've got such a beautiful planet. We've got such a beautiful life to live. And then we go and feel not sure of ourselves. So when you're not sure of yourself, to push yourself then for a result virtually guarantees that you will meet with unwillingness and resentment and objection. You'll have a new enemy that's mad and vengeful. Because when you're not sure of yourself, it's no use pushing yourself and demanding of yourself to deliver something that doesn't feel like it's available here. Where must it come from? It must come from in here. And if you are not connected to in here, how can you produce it? And then you go into this huge fight with yourself, this opposition, opposing energy. So, to push for a result virtually guarantees you will meet with unwillingness. If you're not feeling sure of yourself, if someone shows you a deep chasm or a gorge with a thin rope over it, and you know that you're not a tightrope walker and you've got to cross this thing, of course you're going to offer willingness and even resentful that you should be asked to do such a ridiculous thing. But life is no different. Sometimes it's best not to go there because you can't be given that to do if you don't go there. That's a place you have to go to, not a place you want to come from. So you give that up. It's best not to go there. So now look at some examples that come up for you when you don't feel sure of yourself. Again, completely overwhelmed, or how horrible people are, how unfair life is. No, don't go there. Don't go there. Why punish and give yourself more to endure? Why push for more when you already feel discomfort and pain? No, that's not a good option. So now, what is there available for you to do? Remain calm. When others feel harassed and confused and upset and all that around you, feel secure regardless of the pressures that may, present itself to you all the time. It's like that for all of us. No one is exempt. You must be able to adapt yourself to what is going on around you without becoming part of it. It's, you're going to face changing conditions every single day of your life because every day is a new life. You may repeat things, but it's never going to feel the same again. So every day is a new life. And very often these days, in order to succeed, to get something done, you have to drop your plans. You have to completely, what you plan to do is life just doesn't work like that. Reality never happens the way you think because life is in charge. So you must let go so that, you can be empowered. If you're holding on to other things, you can't be empowered. You must be available, willing and available to be empowered. So I'm inviting you today to go and feel empowered. But feel empowered because you are making such a huge contribution to life. you're making such a huge contribution to the lives of others working, and for it to be good and for it to thrive. That's what you need to say thank you for the impact that you're having, and the way that life is seeing that impact, and the way that life rewards that impact for you. Because if you're going to make a contribution in any situation, you're going to be rewarded for it. It's not going to happen the way you think, but you do get rewarded. Sometimes we don't appreciate things enough. We take too much for granted, and then we don't feel rewarded. But we're always rewarded. We always do something because we're going to get something in return. It's just the way it works. Yeah. So, and there goes everything that I need to let go of. How quick was that? So, I'm inviting you today to give yourself a break. Just give yourself a break. Just allow yourself to actually feel again what it feels like to be calm. When you're not sure of yourself, sometimes it's because you're just feeling relaxed and calm. Now you don't have to perform and you don't have to prove yourself and do all those things. And then it can feel like you're not sure of yourself. But look, perhaps you're just relaxed and at ease. And you don't feel that anxiety, that performance anxiety, that pressure. You're just calm and relaxed. So enjoy that too, because it's a wonderful sense of ease. And that's the way life operates. It's only us that complicate it. So have a wonderful rest of your day. And don't forget to push the subscribe button so that you can, and the black little bell, so that you can receive my clips when I send them out into the universe. And don't forget to share and comment too, because that also supports the channel. If you find value, wonderful to be appreciated and to be reassured by your presence. So thank you so much for sharing this few moments with me today. And may you have a wonderful, amazing experience of feeling sure of yourself and loving it. Such is life. See you soon. Bye.